Morning everyone. Today we are going to begin with dissolution of partnership firm. According to section 39 of Indian Partnership Act 1932, dissolution of firm means dissolution of partnership among all the partners of the firm. It means that the business has to be shut down. The same business cannot be continued, and it also means that all assets have to be sold and liabilities paid off. When the business will be shut down, all the assets have to be sold and the liabilities paid off. Now, what are the modes of dissolution? How can a business be dissolved? First, by mutual agreement, when all the partners agree that the business should be shut down, it should be closed, then the business is dissolved. Second, compulsory dissolution, when all but one partner becomes insolvent, then the business has to be shut down. Insolvent, I hope all of you understand. Insolvent is a person who, or a business or an organization which is not in position to repay its debts. So when all partners but one becomes insolvent, the business has to be shut down. Or business becomes unlawful. Suppose you were dealing in manufacturing of some kind of chemical which, because of change in law, its production has become unlawful. In that case, your business will become unlawful and will have to be shut down. Third, by notice, in case partnership is at will, that means it will continue only till the time partners are willing to continue. In that case, if any of the partner gives a notice of due time regarding his intentions of closing the business, then again it has to be shut down. Third, on happening of an event, on expiry of term. Suppose A and B formed a partnership for 5 years. So on expiry of this term, the business will have to be shut down. Since they formed partnership for 5 years, as soon as the 5 years will be over, it will have to be shut down. On completion of a venture, suppose A is a small constructor, he has a small construction firm, and B also has a small construction firm, and government comes out with the project of manufacturing flyovers, and they join hands, they form partnership to undertake that venture of constructing flyover. As soon as the venture is complete, the venture for which the partnership was formed is complete, the partnership will come to an end. On death of a partner, suppose there are only two partners and one of them dies, obviously the partnership will come to an end. On abdication of a partner as insolvent, suppose any partner becomes insolvent, then also this business will be dissolved. Fifth is dissolution by court. In certain cases, this is very important. Generally, this is covered in the board examination, and you must learn all parts of it also. Dissolution by court. In all the points discussed above, it was all mutual or with the agreement between the partners, but here intervention of court is there. Here court, under these 5-6 points, the court is going to intervene to shut down the business. In which cases the court can intervene? Let us see. A partner becomes of unsound mind. In that case also, other partners can go to court to request it to be shut down. A partner permanently becomes incapable of performing duties. Suppose a partner met with an accident and became became incapable of performing his duties physically. Suppose he became paralyzed. In that case also, a partner is found guilty of misconduct. Suppose the court finds a partner guilty of misconduct. In that case also, since it will adversely affect the functioning of business, then also it can be shut down. A partnership agreement is breached persistently, means some partner or few partners are persistently breaching the partnership agreement. Suppose the agreement said it has to be divided in the ratio 2:1, and this partner had a control over the entire firm, and he was dividing the profit equally, so he was persistently breaching the agreement. Then also, court finds dissolution justified if court thinks, for any other reason, if the court thinks that dissolution is justified, should be done, then also it can be done. Last but not the least, business cannot be carried out except in losses. If the court finds that the business cannot be carried out except in losses, in that case also the business will be shut down. We will continue remaining part of it in the next video. Thank you.